Hey, boo. Hello, ladies. Welcome back to my channel. And today, I would like to discuss hair growth. So, it has come across my attention. I have seen it on so many social media posts that women are asking, how can I get my hair to grow? Some desire thicker hair, some desire longer hair. Well, today I am going to answer that question in efforts to help you to reach your goals on your healthy hair care journey. I would like to start off by saying that the growth of your hair is affected by your nutrition and by your general health, meaning that the hair grows and is nourished through your bloodstream. This means that there are factors that may push against your hair growth, and that there are factors that will help with the hair growth process. And it is important for you to understand this so that you can know what you can do to improve your chances of reaching your hair growth goals. Okay, so first we'll start off with the factors that go against the hair growth, and then we'll discuss the factors that will help your hair to grow. So the factors that go against, or that I'll say can negatively affect your healthy hair care growth, are medications and health-related concerns. So because your hair grows and is nourished through your bloodstream, everything that goes into your body and your bloodstream affects the nutrition of your hair. There are some medications like blood pressure medicines, and for example, like some thyroid medicines. There are medicines that are like that, that you use during surgery, like for anesthesia. And there are many more medicines out there that can cause unnatural thinning and or shedding. Now, in these instances, of course, like blood pressure medicines, the medicines that your doctor has prescribed for you is very important. So this video does not mean it's okay to drop those medicines. You need to take those medicines in order for your bloodstream to flow appropriately for your health of your body. Hair comes second, okay? All right, let's get back to it. So another factor that falls under the health-related concerns is like the pH balance in your body, your hormones, aging, and one of the biggest factors that seem almost untreatable is stress. And I'm gonna say almost untreatable because, now this is a side note, it's a good note, okay? Stress is treatable. Okay, I know you like, what? Okay, so I ain't trying to preach and all of that to you, but I gotta tell you that Dr. Jesus will give you the peace that you need to relieve the anxiety and the stress of life through his peace. Okay, he wants to give you his peace, okay? And I'm just going to tell you to check out Philippians chapter 4, verse 6 through 7, and Psalms chapter 55, verse 22, to knock out that problem, okay? And I'm going to leave it at that. Now, okay, so back to it. Now, I would like to tell you what you can do to help your hair to grow. Here are some facts. So on average, the hair grows about a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch per month. And between the ages of 13 to 30, your hair is growing pretty more rapidly. And then naturally the hair begins to slow down sharply after the age of 50. So those are some facts that you know. And so here's what you can do to improve that healthy hair care journey and growth journey. Because your hair is nourished and it grows through your bloodstream, the first thing you can do is make sure your iron levels are good. You want to make sure your iron levels are good. You also want to make sure that you are hydrated. And that means that you need to drink plenty of water. To nourish your blood, you'll want to make sure that you're eating right. So foods that are like rich in iron, like poultry, fish, red meat, dark leafy vegetables, berries. The berries are full of potassium and vitamin C and fiber. And those are good things that you can eat. And also you want to talk to your doctor about the healthy foods that are good for your bloodstream, because your doctors know what medicines you might be on, or if you're not on any medicines at all, you still want to make sure that your body is regulated and balanced. That is the most important thing when it comes down to your body and the growth of your hair. You want to make sure that you're balanced. Speaking of balance now, you talk to your doctor about this now, because there is something that you can't eat, that you don't want to eat too much of it. But dark chocolate has a powerful source of antioxidants that can improve blood flow. And now, please, ladies, like I said, talk to your doctor and make sure everything is balanced, okay? Because I'm not trying to tell anybody out here who has a medical issue to go eat chocolate, okay? That is not what I'm saying, and that is not what I want you out here doing, okay? I'm gonna throw my hands up on that one, okay? All right, now, so back to it. Just eating well, drinking water, taking your vitamins, and that will help nourish your bloodstream, and in turn helps your hair to grow. You want to look up foods with vitamin H in it. Vitamin H is also known as biotin, and this will also help you, help your hair to grow. Another factor for positive hair growth that so many women are afraid of, and they be trying to fall back off of. But ladies, you must do outside maintenance of your hair, which includes trimming. Okay, all right, don't pass out on me now. So trimming is very important, ladies. And you ask, what you mean? What can shears do to help my hair to grow? Okay, don't be trying to play me, boo. Let me tell you, don't be funny. Let me tell you. Okay, so trimming, it helps to minimize and eliminate breakage, okay? Because if you refuse to trim your hair is going to split at the ends. And then that split is going to ravel up. Just imagine one strand of your hair and it splits at the end and then it ravels up. That split going to just keep splitting and ravel up, and then it's going to break. It's going to snap off. And then when it does that, boom, there goes your growth. So your hair's been growing the whole time, but because you haven't trimmed it, it breaks. And breakage is not good. It's like pruning a flower. But that ain't my line of expertise over there with the flowers and stuff. So I'ma just tell you, to look that up on your own time. Okay? All right, so getting back to it, the last thing I would like to recommend for you to do for your hair and your scalp is go and see a licensed professional stylist, ladies. Get shampooed, treated, and trimmed by a licensed professional stylist, okay? And try to go at least once a month. If you can get there at least once a month, you only need to get your ends trimmed every 6 to 8 weeks, okay? So even if you say I can go once every 6 to 8 weeks, go get your hair treated, trimmed, shampooed and conditioned, moisturized, hydrated, and stay on track. At least do that every 6 to 8 weeks. Now, There are moisturizing and hydrating treatments. There are protein and keratin treatments, reconstructive treatments, and more. You know, your stylist can provide you with what your individual needs are when they take a look at your hair and they do analysis of your scalp, and they can tell you what they feel is the best move for you. But it's best to go to find out. Okay, now there are also FDA approved treatments like minoxidil and finasteride, and that can help your hair to grow as well. Now you also want to make sure that you talk to your dermatologist to see if those are the best treatments for you, because some of you may be able to use that and some of you may not be able to use that, and the dermatologist is the best person to be able to tell you, you know, yes, this is good, and no, this is not good. They should be able to tell you that. Well, ladies, I hope that this helps you on your healthy hair care growth journey. Remember to stay hydrated and to eat right. And please like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. Those who have hair growth questions, please share this with them. I feel that it will really help people to understand how the hair grows. And you know, later on I'll also go into different videos to tell you about the cycles of hair growth and all of that. So stay tuned for the next video, and I'll see you on the next go round. Bye bye. Hey, bro.